Hi children, this is the day 3 of 6th class mathematics. Today we are going to discussing about the face value system, face value, place value, expanded form and short form up to 5 digit numbers. Because in the last classes you have learned that the numbers up to 5 digits only. You didn't learn the numbers which are having the 6 digits, 7 digits, 8 digits, 9 digits, but you have learned only up to 5 digit numbers. So like this means the number up to 99,999 only we have learned. More than that, in 5th class you didn't learn. The numbers you have learned up to 99,999. If you increase one more, it will become the 6 digit. But up to these numbers, how do you write the face value and place value, expanded form and short form? We are going to discuss in this class. This is a very simple way, very easy, because already you have learnt in previous classes. Once again, I am revising. So it is very easy to understand. You try to understand. In a table format, I will explain you. I will give some numbers, in that I will underline some digits, and we will try to write what is the face value and what is the place value of them. So you can understand these topics very well. Suppose I have given this number to you. I think you can read this. What is this number? Ones, tens, hundreds. After the hundreds, you will keep the comma and you will read this as 73,467. When you are counting the places, you will say the places here. What are the places you will discuss? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. These are the places we have learnt in 5th class. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 5 digits. First digit ones place, second digit tens place. Means first and second is from the right hand side. First digit ones place, second digit tens place, third digit hundreds place, fourth digit thousands place, fifth digit 10,000s place. I underlined this number and I asked you what is the face value of that digit. Face value of this digit. Simple. Which digit is looking there? That is the face value. Which digit is looking there? 6 looking. So that's why face value is 6. Then what is the place value? Place value means the digit is in which place? Ones and tens place. That's why 6 is in tens place. Means 6 tens are. 6 is in tens place. That's why 6 tens are. You will write that as 60. 6 tens are 60. That is called as place value. Face value, place value. Now, I am giving this number. It is number, you can read it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 94,892. I am asking what is the face value of 8? Underlined digit. That is 8. So means what you write? Which digit is looking to you? 8. That is called face value. What is the place value? 8 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds. 8 is in hundreds place. That's why 8 hundreds. 8 hundreds, 800. That's why place value is 800. Suppose 35,761. What is the place value of the 1? And what is the face value of the 1? The face value of this 1 is 1. Which digit is looking at that digit? How to find out the place value? You will take that 1 is in one's place. 1 ones are. 1 is in one's place. 1 ones are. 1. 1 is the place value. What is this number? Ones, tens, hundreds. 99,999. What is the face value of the underlying digit? Yes, the digit which is looking, that is the face value. Simple. What is the place value? How do you say the place value? You will come like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. 9 is in 10,000s place. Means 9 10,000s. 9 10,000s. 1 10,000 10,000. 2 10,000s 20,000. 3 10,000 30,000. 4 10,000s 40,000. Like that, 9 10,000s. 9 10,000s will become 90,000. You have to write 90,000 like this. 90,000. What is this number? 34,398. What is the face value of this underlying digit? Yes, it is 4. What is the place value of that? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4 is in thousands place. Means 4 thousands will become 4,000. 4 is in thousands place and 4 thousands will become 4,000. This number is 30,238. What is the place value of this underlying digit? The digit which is looking there, 0 is the place value of that. And what about the place value? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 0 is in thousands place. 0,000s. 0,000? No. 0,000 is what? 0. That's why the place value is what? 0. Means the place value also of the 0 is 0 only. Because 0 10,000 0 only. 0,000 0 only. 0 hundreds 0 only. 0 tens also 0 only. So this is the way of writing face value and place value. Try to define the difference between the face value and place value. Face value means only the digit. Place value means the digit is in which place. 600, 600s are, 6 tens are, 6 thousands are, 6 10,000s are, 6 ones are. Like that you will write the place value. So this is the way of finding place value and face value. Now we are going to learn the next topic. It is expanded form. So I said before that to you, whatever you want to write, hold the video and write it down in your notebook. Now we are going to learn expanded form. Expanded form of a number. Very easy it is. If you take a number, if you expand that by using the place values, is called expanded form. What is the suppose example I am giving to you? 25 means what? 20 and 5. 25 means 20 and 5 together 25. 362. What is the meaning of that? 362. That is called expanded form. Simple way. 25 means 20 and 5. That 362 means 362. This is called expanded form. When you are expanding place wise, digit wise place values, that is called expanded form. So we will write three examples, then you can understand it very well. I have written this number. What is the expanded form of that? So what do you write? Anyway, you can come by this way or that way. So we can come. This is what you can, by reading number you can say ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s. Why I am keeping comma? It is very easy to read. After hundreds, if you keep the comma, what is the before number? 72. That's why 72,342. It is an easy way to read the number. Already before that we have discussed. So 70, first each digit wise you have to go. First two digit 7. What is the place value of 7? Not face value, place value. What is the place value of 7? 7 is in 10,000 place. That's why 7 tens, 70,000. 70,000 will get from 7 and 4 zeros plus 2. 2 is in thousands place. That's why 2000 plus 3 is in hundreds place. That's why 300 plus 4. 4 is in tens place. 4 tens are 40. 2 is in ones place. 2 ones are 2. That is the way of writing expanded form. It is very easy. One more example I will give to you. So before reading what you will say, once tens hundreds come. 8 is in 10,000s place. That's why 8 10,000s, 80,000. 0. Place value of 0. No need to think about place. Place value of 0, 0. 0. Place value of 0, 0. 3. 3 is in tens place. That's why 30. 9. 9 is in ones place. That's why 9. Simple. 61,320. 6 is in 10,000s place. Means 60,000. 1 is in thousands place. 1,000. 3 is in hundreds place. 300. 2 is in tens place. 20. 0 is in ones place. 0. This is the system to write the expanded. Okay, now we will discuss the another topic, that is short form. After expanded form, there will be short form. Short form means this is the reverse form of the expanded form. If you know the here what have written, number you have taken and we have written the expanded form. Now expanded form you will get, you need to write the number, that is called short form. So like this, you see 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 7. So you need to write the number in short form. Easy. 30,000, 4,000, 257. So normally you can think that these are all both are thousands only. 30,000, 4,000. Together 34,000. Comma 257. 257 we will write like this. This is the way, one way. Otherwise, you see that which places are there. You try to understand. The number which is not having 0 ones place, which is having 2 zeros, 1 zero tens place, which is having 2 zeros hundreds place, which is having 3 zeros thousands place, which is having 4 zeros 10,000s place. Easily we can remember that. First we will go for ones place, which is not having zeros. Yes, it is there. 7. Next tens place, 1 zero number. What is that? 5. Hundreds place, 2 zeros. 2. Thousands place, 3 zeros. 4. 10,000s place, here it is there. That's why 3. In this way also you can write the short form. One more. So now how do you write it? When you read like that, maybe you will confuse. Now you go in this method what I said to you. First we will try for ones place. Yes, it is there in ones place here because without 0. After ones place, tens. Tens means single 0. 1 0 must be needed. Is there anything? 1 0 number is not there. That's why 0. If it is not there, you write 0. After tens, hundreds. Yes, there is hundreds here. 900 is there. That's why 9. Next, thousands place. Thousands place means 3 zeros. You don't have. That's why 0. 10,000s is there. 40 number is there. That is what? 9. This is the way of writing short form. Now, first ones place is there. Tens place, yes, 1 0 number. Hundreds place, Two zeros number is there here? No. That's why what should we write here? 0. Thousands place. Yes, 30 number is there. After thousands place 10,000, but here nothing is there. So you can stop here 6045. So this is the way of writing short form. So today we have learned about face value, place value, expanded form and short form. And you can see in your textbook in that exercise 2, before the exercise 2, there is one do this. That is the table is there. Try to fill the table. Expanded form. You see that 2 into expansion have written. One example is given there. By using the example, you complete the do this in the page number 5 and in the exercise 1.2, fourth bit and fifth bit you can do it. So I will give in the paper sheet also and then you can see the sheet and you can complete the homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.